By now your templates should be almost ready. You have added and customized their basic content. In this video, we are going to discuss how you can use the Accessibility tab to make sure that all learners will be able to engage with your content. Making sure your template pages are accessible will save you time later. However, you should still go through the Accessibility tab again for each page once the specific content has been added. Go to one of your template pages and click Edit. Open the Design Plus sidebar. Select the Accessibility tab. This is the one with a circle with a person inside of it. When you click on this tab, you will see two main headings: Accessibility and Usability. Under the Accessibility heading are several useful tools. First is the Contrast Checker. This tool examines your page to make sure that there is sufficient contrast between the text colors and the background colors. If issues are noted, the checker will display a section for each contrast issue. A bar along the top will display a preview of the current text and background colors, list the ratio of contrast, and indicate if it passes or fails for normal and large text. Beneath this is a slider to adjust the brightness of the text color, as well as buttons to change it to default colors if desired. The preview will change to reflect your current adjustments. When you are happy with the colors and they have sufficient contrast, click the Apply button. Now click on the link at the top of the sidebar that says Back to Accessibility Usability. The next tool we are going to look at is the Heading Checker. Learners who are blind or have low vision will often interact with content using a screen reader. The screen reader uses heading levels to help learners understand the organization of the page. It is important that your headings are all in the proper hierarchy. Clicking on the Heading Checker icon will open a display showing all of the different headings on your page. Use the arrows to promote or demote these headings to different levels. There should be no missing levels between headings. The interface will highlight heading errors in red, although as noted in past videos, it will sometimes not pick up on and highlight gaps in heading hierarchy when things like accordions and quick checks are involved. Adjust your heading levels as needed. Click on Back to Accessibility Usability. The next tool is the Image Alt Checker. This tool will identify any images on your page and any alt text they may have. Alt text allows learners who are blind or have low vision to experience the images and visuals on your page. Make sure that each image that has meaning and a learning purpose has brief and descriptive alt text. Do not use the file name. There is also no need to begin your alt text with image of or photo of because the screen reader will usually identify the element as an image. So for example, for this image, we can add text saying, bright sunrise. It is always important to end your alt text with punctuation. This allows the screen reader to interact with it properly. If the image serves no learning purpose and is simply there to make the page look better, you can mark it as decorative. The Link Checker is another very important tool. When you click on the Link Checker icon, the tool will identify any links that you may have on your page, including links to other content within the course, and links that have been formatted as buttons. Click on each link to make sure that it takes you to the intended destination. Next, review the text that is displaying for each link. Make sure that when the link text is read by a screen reader, it will clearly indicate to the student the destination of the link. For example, don't use file names or text such as "click here." To make changes to your link text or to change the destination, click on the pencil button. Other tools under the Accessibility heading include the Math Checker, which will help you provide appropriate alt text for mathematical expressions that have been added using the Equation button in the Insert tool in the RCE. And the Table Checker, which allows you to designate column headers and row headers and add a caption to the table if desired. Under the Usability heading is the External Assets tool. This tool identifies images and files you've added to your page that are not uploaded to the course. You can add them to your course by clicking Import and Update. You can also review any links to non-Canvas sources that you may have on your page to make sure that they go to the right destination. Under the Usability category, you can also access a preview of your page. And upgrade elements that were added using the legacy design bar to be compatible with the new Design Plus sidebar. Using the Accessibility tab, address any accessibility or usability issues in your templates.